Hi, welcome everyone. This is Imran here again. Today I just wanted to touch something on the internet marketing, and maybe people know about it. Many of you know about it, but sometimes some people just don't get it. I mean, what is internet marketing? Maybe it's a myth or a reality for them. So, uh, even let me say that to this day, it amazes me that more people aren't aware of the huge potential that the internet represents when it comes to earning money. This is not just an option for those lucky tech-savvy entrepreneurs. This is something that anyone can start doing with amazing effects. If you know how to use a computer and an internet connection, then you could be earning money online. Not only that, but you could be earning passive income. That means you could be earning money while you sleep. And those passive income business models don't need to be complicated to set up the way. This is something you can start doing in days, if not hours. Some online business models are so shockingly simple that they literally involve doing little more than copying and pasting an existing business model to start making it for you. You can check out winz.info, the website that I am asking you to visit. Further, and if it's not just money that you can stand to gain by doing all this. Running an online business gives you a way to make money doing something you love and that you are truly passionate about. More than that, it will allow you to develop a small amount of fame. Can you imagine how rewarding it would be to get emails from strangers telling you that your videos or your blog post changed their lives? It can help you to create other products that you have always dreamed of. Imagine the sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing something that you thought of in stores. And if you already run a business, or if you are someone that works for another company, then you can even use a basic understanding of internet marketing in order to promote that existing organization and grow it to entirely new heights. If the web or the online can do all of that for an individual, imagine how much it could grow your business. Imagine how many visitors you can drive to your websites, how many new customers you can drive to your products, and just how little time, effort, and money all of it could cost you. In short, there is no limit to what you can accomplish using internet business, and it's something that everyone should be involved in. I really emphasize on that. So if you want to know more, visit winz.info. Thank you.